Hello, my name is Alejandra María Peña. I am professor at UNAD de Calma School. I am from Ciudad La Plata in Huila. The video I have chosen is number 3, explaining the pandemic took me past self. This video is fictional story about a woman named Judy who came from 4 months in the future to talk with her past self in January 2020. The video starts with Julie sitting at her table and then her future self appears. She was surprised and asked you what she. The other Julie said she was from 4 months the future. Julie from the past asked if she was going to tell her what was going to happen. Julie from the future said that because of butterfly effect, she could only have heard some basic information. Then she asked to Julie from the past if she wanted the good news or bad news. Julie from the past responded that they were news. Julie from the future said it was great. Then Julie from the future said that things had never been better for climate change. Joe from the past was happy because of that. Julie from the future told her about dolphins in Venice Canal, so Julie from the past was happily surprised. However, Julie from the future had to clarify that she saw that at her aunt's Facebook wall and that it seemed pretty legit. Julie from the past agreed that it was incredible, especially compared to Australian Wi-Fi. She added that it thought those were going to be the deafening future of 2020. Judy from the future laughed about this idea and told Judy from the past that she wasn't even close. Judy from the past was shocked because she considered wildfires a big deal. Judy from the future told her that she was absolutely wrong about big deals. Judy from the past became anxious and asked Judy from the future for the bad news. Judy from the future told her that she had to follow her investment and that she'd have to run everything out to the stock market. Judy from the past thought that what was going to happen was recession, but Judy from the future asked her to put a little money and some. Judy from the past was really surprised. Judy from the future then asked her to go to the supermarket really quick to make some shopping. She also asked her if she had any hobbies just to keep her busy. Judy from the past answered that she didn't. Then Judy from the future asked Judy from the past to help a touch. Judy from the past agreed, but she said they were a lot of work and walking outside. Besides, she had so much trouble coming up. Judy from the future laughed a lot and told her that she didn't have to travel anymore, that she wasn't in have to have a job. Judy from the past was really concerned asked how she was going to afford stuff. Judy from the future didn't answer, just asked her to start exercise and doing aerobics. Judy from the past was so terrifying that she yelled, asking what the hell was going to happen. Judy from the future tried to calm her down and told her that it wasn't that bad for her, that maybe for some other people, but not for her. Then she whispered that being at home on the couch watching Netflix would be the best. On the couch asked Julie from the past. Julie from the future then told her that she was going to be just fine. Then she finished the conversation asking Julie from the past what she knew about the world of the cat.